Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Fly Love on guitar. This easy guide is perfect for beginners, breaking down the song into simple, manageable steps. We'll cover the essential chords you need and a straightforward strumming pattern. By the end, you'll be able to play a basic version of this beautiful tune. Grab your guitar, and let's get started on your musical journey today. To play Fly Love, you'll primarily need 4 essential chords: C major, G major, a minor, and F major. For C major, place your fingers on the 2nd fret of the D string, 3rd fret of the A string, and 1st fret of the B string. G major uses the 3rd fret of the low E, 2nd fret of the A, and 3rd fret of the high E. A minor is on the 2nd fret of the D and G strings, and 1st fret of the B string. F major can be a simple 2-finger shape on the 1st fret. Now, let's add a simple strumming pattern to bring the chords to life. A great pattern for Fly Love is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try practicing this slowly, counting 1, 2, and 3, and 4 and. Focus on a smooth, consistent motion with your strumming hand. Each chord will usually get 1 full repetition of this pattern. This will give the song a gentle, flowing feel, perfect for its romantic melody. Finally, let's put everything together and play the main chord progression. The most common sequence for Fly Love is C major, followed by G major, then a minor, and finally F major. Practice transitioning smoothly between these 4 chords, ensuring each change is clean. Repeat this progression several times to build muscle memory. Listen to the original song to help you internalize the timing and feel. With a little practice, you'll be playing Fly Love in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.